They are whispers of color on a summer breeze, delicate jewels of the natural world. But butterflies hold secrets far more astonishing than their beauty alone might suggest. To begin, consider this. Many butterflies taste their world not with a mouth, but with their feet. Specialized sensors on their legs allow them to identify the perfect leaf on which to lay their eggs. Then, there is the incredible feat of migration. Some, like the famed monarch, undertake journeys spanning thousands of miles, a multi-generational pilgrimage guided by an unseen map. And finally, they perceive a world invisible to us, seeing ultraviolet light that turns flowers into brilliant landing strips we can only imagine. A story of complete and utter reinvention, a biological marvel that unfolds in plain sight, yet is so often overlooked in its intricate detail. Today, on this second day of November in the year 2025, we will journey into this miniature world. We will follow the life of a single organism as it undergoes a change so total, it borders on the magical. This is the story of metamorphosis, the process by which a humble, earthbound caterpillar becomes a creature of the air. It is a narrative that has captivated human imagination for millennia, a symbol of change, resilience, and the sheer breathtaking ingenuity of life itself. We will peel back the layers of this familiar story to reveal the lesser-known wonders hidden within. Our tale begins not with the flutter of wings, but with an object so small it could be mistaken for a speck of dust. It starts with an egg, carefully placed and tenaciously clinging to a leaf. This is where the blueprint for a butterfly is first laid down, a tiny, vulnerable vessel containing all the potential for the incredible journey ahead. Here, in this unassuming capsule, the first act of a grand drama is set to begin, waiting only for the right moment, the right temperature, and the gentle cue of nature to proceed with its astonishing script. From the confines of its tiny egg, a minuscule creature emerges. This is the larva, the caterpillar. Its first act is often to consume its own eggshell, a vital first meal. Immediately after, its singular purpose becomes clear. It must eat. The leaf where it was born becomes its entire universe and first banquet. For the next weeks, life is an unrelenting cycle of consumption. Voracious, rapid growth stores fuel for the change ahead. A beautifully designed eating machine, its body is built for one task: powerful mandibles, chewing leaf after leaf, converting plant matter to energy. Its skin does not grow with it. The tight outer layer becomes restrictive. The caterpillar must shed it, molting. It repeats this several times, emerging larger and more robust. Constant, visible growth, storing fuel for the next stage. But this life is fraught with peril. A soft-bodied, slow-moving caterpillar is ideal prey for many predators: birds, wasps, spiders, lizards. The caterpillar's skin splits one last time, but what emerges is not a larger caterpillar. Instead, a strange, jewel-like casing is revealed beneath. This is the chrysalis. It is a protective fortress, a sealed chamber where the future butterfly will be forged. The chrysalis can be a work of art, gleaming with metallic, golden spots, perfectly camouflaged to look like a dead leaf, perfectly camouflaged to look like a piece of bark. Inside this hardened shell, the creature is now a pupa, outwardly still and silent, appearing to be in a deep, death-like slumber. But appearances can be deceiving. Within these walls, one of nature's most extraordinary events is unfolding. The caterpillar's body undergoes a radical, complete deconstruction. Specialized cells release enzymes. Enzymes digest almost the entire larval body, breaking it down into a thick, nutrient-rich soup. A controlled demolition, dissolving the old form to provide raw materials for the new. All that remains are tiny clusters of dormant cells, imaginal discs. These are the seeds of the butterfly to come. From that cellular soup, imaginal discs begin their work. Like microscopic architects, they fuel intense cellular division and differentiation. One disc becomes an antenna, another becomes a leg. The largest pairs flatten and expand into wings. The simple eyes are replaced by complex compound eyes. Chewing mouthparts are reformed into a long, coiled proboscis for sipping nectar. A complete reassembly, building a brand new creature from the old, a delicate race against time. The pupa cannot eat or drink. It must rely entirely on stored energy from the caterpillar. Duration varies, just over a week, or, for overwintering species, many months. All the while, the chrysalis must protect the developing butterfly from predators and the elements. a vulnerable, silent, and utterly profound period of becoming a hidden miracle beneath a thin, protective veil, waiting for the perfect moment to be revealed. The moment of emergence is at hand. Inside the chrysalis, the transformation is complete. Through the now thinning, almost transparent shell, the patterns of the wings may become visible. A subtle pressure builds, and with a final push, the casing splits open. Slowly, painstakingly, a new creature pulls itself free. It is not a caterpillar, but a butterfly, its body damp and its wings crumpled and folded like a wet cloak. It is utterly vulnerable, clinging precariously to the empty shell of its former self, its former life. The final, critical steps to freedom are about to begin. The butterfly's first task is to prepare its wings for flight. It must pump a special fluid, called hemolymph, from its abdomen. The fluid moves through the network of hollow veins that crisscross the wings. This hydraulic pressure slowly and deliberately inflates them, causing them to expand to their full, glorious size. This process can take up to an hour, a period of immense risk. The butterfly must remain perfectly still as its wings unfurl and then harden in the air. Any disturbance during this time could result in permanently damaged wings, rendering it incapable of flight and sealing its fate. With its wings now fully formed and dry, the butterfly is almost ready. It takes its first tentative steps on its new, slender legs, testing its balance. It will flex its wings gently at first, then more powerfully, strengthening the flight muscles in its thorax. For the first time, it uncoils its long proboscis, the specialized feeding tube it will use to drink nectar from flowers. Every part of its new body is tested and prepared for a life in the air. The earthbound existence of the caterpillar is now a distant memory, replaced by a body designed for elegance and flight. And then, it happens. With a final decisive beat of its wings, the butterfly lifts off. Its first flight is often short and a little uncertain, but it has broken its final bond with the ground. It has become a creature of the wind. This is a moment of rebirth, the true birth of the butterfly. Its new life will be a sensory whirlwind of color-scent movement. It must now navigate the world to find food, avoid predators, seek a mate to begin the entire miraculous cycle all over again, ensuring the continuation of its kind. The wings that now carry the butterfly are marvels of engineering and art. They are covered in thousands of microscopic scales, arranged like overlapping tiles on a roof. Visual emphasis. The scales themselves. These scales create the colors we see in two different ways. Some contain pigments, which absorb certain wavelengths of light and reflect others, producing shades of black, brown, yellow, orange. But the most dazzling colors, the iridescent blues, greens, violets. They are structural colors, created by the way light scatters and reflects off the intricate microscopic architecture of the scales themselves. This kaleidoscope of color serves many purposes beyond simple beauty. For some, like the monarch, vibrant orange wings act as a warning sign, advertising their toxicity to any bird foolish enough to try and eat them. For others, intricate patterns that look like large eyes can startle a predator, giving the butterfly a precious split second to escape. Many more use their patterns for camouflage, their wings allowing them to vanish completely against a backdrop of bark or dead leaves, a cloak of invisibility in a world of constant threat. Their beauty is a language of survival. As they fly from flower to flower, sipping nectar through their proboscis, butterflies perform a vital service. Sipping nectar through their proboscis. Grains of pollen cling to their legs and bodies, and as they travel, they carry this pollen to other blossoms. This act of pollination is essential for plants to produce fruit and seeds. In their quiet, beautiful quest for food, butterflies are tireless gardeners, helping to create the very habitats that sustain them. They are a crucial thread in the intricate tapestry of their ecosystem, connecting the lives of plants and animals in a delicate, fluttering dance. And so, the next time you see a butterfly alight on a flower, take a moment. Consider the journey it has taken to get there. Think of the voracious caterpillar, the silent chrysalis, the miraculous recreation that happened in secret. You are not just looking at an insect, you are witnessing the end of an epic story and the beginning of a new one. What other secrets are hidden in the grass at your feet or on the leaves above your head? Nature's greatest wonders are often the smallest, inviting us only to stop, to look closer, and to be amazed. For more intriguing animal facts, hit like and subscribe.